So number 3 tells us that the second term of an arithmetic sequence is 8 and the third term is 12. So what is the 13th term? Now we remember that the sequences that we did in questions 1 and 2 are the repeating sequences. Now this is the arithmetic, and we know that arithmetic is adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. So arithmetic just means that every term in the sequence has a common difference. So we're either going to add or subtract the same number between each term. So the fact that they gave us 2 consecutive terms is really nice, because what that tells us is the common difference. So we know that we had to add 4 in order to get from 2 to 3. So to get from 3 to 4, or 4 to 5, or even 1 to 2, it's going to be a common difference of 4. So therefore, what we need to remember is our formula for the arithmetic sequence, and that would be an equals a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Now all those terms might look like jumbled mishmash to you, but each thing is pretty basic. So an just means the nth term. In this case, they're asking us for the 13th term, so that n is going to be 13. So we're going to change all of our n's to 13. The d represents our common difference, and we already figured that to be 4, so we're going to change that to a 4. And a1 just represents the first term. This obviously represents the 13th term. So they didn't give us the first term, but if we know that the second term is 8 and that there's a common difference of 4, we now know that the first term is 4. So we're going to change that over here to 4. So then if we simplify all the stuff that we have going on here, we know that we now have 4 plus 12 times 13 minus 1 is 12, times 4 is 48. And if we add 4 to 48, we end up with 52. And that's going to be your answer.